Oi Krishnangajugi.
Professor Kamailang Nongmalie, Assistant Professor at Soara Government College, emphasized the role of pressure groups as advocates for this public during his address at the first anniversary celebration of the Ribhoi People's Council, RBPC, held yesterday at the Community Hall Sajer in Nongpo. Addressing the gathering, Professor Nongmalie expressed concern that many issues affecting the populace often go unheard by the authorities, urging pressure groups to actively engage with the community to identify and address their grievances. He encouraged the RBPC to lead by example in championing public interests effectively.
Hari kasih janjian, kita syukur bah, tambah tungin perlong ya kami kasih jongi pressure group dengan difference. Kasih malam kebayar ter nak kiwepat, kabom syak kenok yang jinglet silian, kabom syak kenok kabastang yang jingkup senam, kabom syak kenok bagai keren kulmar, bagai lek kulmar, bak kanok sun kebakrautan jong. Kalau kasih malam, ini mengini. Kalau tidak bantengkan, kalau tidak kontrol dia